Good afternoon, good evening, or even good morning, depending on when you're watching this video. This will explain how our rising eighth graders, current grade seven students, will use the Powerschool system for class registration for 25-26. When you log in to Powerschool as a student or as a parent, you'll notice that there is a button on the left here that says class registration. It is currently blurred out, and that's just because we're on a sample screen. And then on the right-hand side, you'll see once you click on that class registration, you will see grade 8 requirements, grade 8 electives, grade 8 alternates. And you'll see that grade 8 requirements are the core classes that have already been pre-selected for all grade 8 students. English, civics, math, science, high school and beyond, health, and PE. That will equate to 12 of the 14 credits. If a student from here wishes to enroll, let's say in Spanish or in any of the other grade 8 electives, they'll click on the little pencil over by the exclamation point. And when they click it, it will bring up a number of courses that a student can enroll in. We need to get to 14 credits. So if this student were to select concert band, that would be it. It would be the 1 or 2 courses. If this student were to select Spanish, which is down here, you'd have to click on the number 2 or the next page. So let's say the student does want to, in fact, take Spanish. They'll click on it, they'll click OK, and it will populate. The student is essentially done. However, we do want students to select at least one alternate just to get in that habit. For current grade 7 or 8 students, this person's schedule would be done. The student would get into all of these classes. The student would take Spanish 1. We don't need to worry about alternates, but we will select a couple just to be on the safe side. And we will click OK. And once we've done that, we are done. That is as simple as it needs to be. Now, the one piece, if a student wishes to enroll in Spanish and say band, that would take the high school and beyond class out. And what we would need the family to do in that case, if only you are a student interested in taking both Spanish and either band or chorus and not high school and beyond, is to send an email to the school counselor. And by the school counselor, I mean the high school counselor, Miss Smith for students with last names A through F, Miss Toto for students with last names G through O, Miss Gudekunst for students in last names with last names G through Z, P through Z. If you have any questions along the way, you can reach out to any of us up at the high school. But like I said, this is a pretty straightforward process, especially for our rising grade 8 students. Thanks for your attention to this, and we look forward to supporting you. Have a great rest of your day.